Welcome to an overview of the Flo Device's plumbing installation in your home.
Remember, before arranging for installation, you should register your Flo account and pair your Flo device with your smartphone and home Wi-Fi. We recommend that the Flo device be installed by a plumbing professional.
Schedule your installation appointment for a 90-minute window when you won't need water in your home.
Have all of the components from your Flo box available when your installer arrives.
Your installer will ask if you know where your main water shutoff is. If not, no worries. They'll find it when determining the best location for installation. The Flo device will be installed on the main water supply to your home, so it can monitor and control all home water usage. Your installer will check for a power source within 20 feet. If there are no usable exterior outlets, your installer will typically drill a hole through the wall and route the power cable from an interior outlet to the Flo device, similar to when your cable company drills to route cables to your TV. Test the strength of the Wi-Fi near your water shutoff. If insufficient, use a range extender. Once location and power have been determined, your installer will shut off the water and drain the water from your home. All fixtures must be left in the open position for the duration of the installation. Once the proper space has been created between the pipes, the Flo device will be installed. Be sure to contact Flo support with any concerns you or your installer have regarding location on the pipe prior to installation. Afterwards, your installer will connect the power and gradually turn the water back on, taking time to verify there are no leaks present in the installation. All fixtures can be closed.
Finally, you can see Flo in action. Learn more about the app features and tools now by watching our video using your Flo Mobile App. Now you can run your first micro-leak test.
Don't stress too much if a leak is identified. It's pretty common for Flo to identify a leaky toilet or a water fixture that needs tightening. The first step to a healthy home is knowing you have a problem. For additional guidance, visit meetflo.com/support, email support@meetflo.com, or call 844-MEET-FLO.